Hello fellow crafters, just a short video of what I'm up to today. Stay tuned. Okay, so I was up here going through all my stuff and I found this book. Now I don't know what that says. You guys can see that. And it has something at the bottom, Meredith. On the inside, I opened it and I saw, of course, probably Christmas to 1900. Clara Lippe, Christmas 1900. I don't know if that's like somebody wrote that date for some particular reason, or this book was from back then. I don't have the actual date. Owen Meredith. Don't think it has a date on it. 1895, guys. I don't know what I can do with this book. It's a very old book. So, any suggestions, just write them down in the comments. But, look at that. Sorry if my strap is on there, but just thought I might get the camera to show you guys. This is pretty incredible. I found this attic for the loft. You guys can see that. Copyright 1895 by Frederick A. Stokes Company. Printed in America. So, pretty neat. Just wanted to share that with you. The back of it is still intact. That's the back cover. But it's falling apart. I found it in a plastic baggie. The front is amazing. It's got this type of cover on it. Wow. Amazing. Alright, back to work. Here are some of the papers. These are all basically Christmas that needs to be organized. I'm going to go ahead and find some kind of a system that I can go ahead and be happy with to put them all away instead of just filing them into a bin. Next to the stuff that I have are journal kits that I need to organize into some envelopes so I can make either albums or some journals with all the ephemera and stickers that come with it. Now this bin is completely filled with tons of stickers. These stickers are old, some stickers are new, they're alphas, they're all mixed up. And I have a kind of idea of what I want to do with all of this, but I have to collect all the stickers around the whole area that I have here. Some are in the bin with the Christmas stuff, and some are in another bin with Valentine's Day and things like that. So they all need to be put into some kind of an organization that I can find them either by color or by the theme. I have an idea of what I want to do with them, but I would have to make piles. But basically it would be ABC, beach, birthday, camping, the themes, my travel, anything that I usually get to do. Now my next items that I want to go ahead and get and organized are more scrapbook paper that I have in these bins that I got from Joann's, I believe, or Michael's. They're also scrapbook paper. Some are kits, graduation, and other things. This is the envelopes that I have, and these are from Hobby Lobby. They come 3 to a pack, and they're in different colors. I believe there's 3 colors. They're 13 by 13, which I love because you have a little bit of extra wiggle room. And they do have a small little gusset where they do kind of extend. They have some pockets on the outside so you can put your stickers, your ephemera, or any kind of other pieces of paper that you want to add. And this is the color that I have, the red and the purple from this pack. The other one is a complete set that I have. I haven't opened this one, so I do have the things to organize with. I just haven't gotten it done. These are the pockets that I was talking about for your stickers, and I would think that mostly on the larger scale, the bottom would probably be for some ephemera or some smaller things that I need to do. Just glad that I got them on special. Well, not on special, but I got them with a couple of discounts, and I bought myself, I believe, 3 packages or 2, and I'm gonna go ahead and actually finish using them for what they were intended for, to organize. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. I will be having more videos on my storage, my organization, and my craft cave soon. Come back so you can go ahead and be inspired and get more ideas on how to organize little spots, little spaces that you might have just around your house. All right, till later. Talk to you guys later.